In this tutorial, we will learn how to import and implement thickness adjustments for surface CAD parts using SimSolid. To begin with, let's activate the Import Skins option. First, launch a new SimSolid session, then navigate to Settings, followed by Geometry Import Settings. Here, ensure the Import Skins option is enabled. Finally, select OK to proceed. Moving on to step 2, let's import the CAD assembly. Click on Import from File in the main window toolbar. In the Open Geometry File dialog, select the respective CAD, then click OK to import the assembly. Now, let's review the CAD assembly. Right-click on the assembly in the project tree and select Info. Take note of the Assembly Info dialog, specifically observing the 10 skin parts. To isolate these parts, right-click on the assembly, then choose Show and select Skins. Moving to step 4, where we create sheets by applying the design thickness. In the Assembly Workbench toolbar, choose Create Sheets. Select the inflation direction as top and bottom, then proceed by following the on-screen instructions. Next, apply the specific thickness values to different parts as shown in this tutorial. Ensure you select and apply the correct thickness to each part. Once completed, select OK. Finally, let's review the inflated skins. To do that, expand the assembly in the project tree to observe that all skin parts are now converted into inflated sheets, each indicating its specified thickness. Right-click on the assembly and select Info to view the count of inflated skins in the Info dialog. Thickness can be later edited for the inflated sheets. There are two ways to do this. First, you can double-click on the desired inflated sheets directly from the project tree. This action will prompt the Edit Thickness dialog to appear. Here, input the desired thickness value, and once you have completed the adjustment, select OK to confirm the changes. Alternatively, you can also adjust the thickness by right-clicking on the inflated skin parts in the project tree. This option is supported for multiple selections too. Choose the Edit Thickness option from the menu. This will bring up the same Edit Thickness dialog, allowing you to input the desired thickness value. Once you have made the necessary changes, select OK to apply the adjusted thickness to the inflated sheets. Thank you for watching.